Well, here we are, day 22, I think it is, of the harvest log overbury. We are moving into champion wheat at the moment. This is again down on the heavy land. This is just down by the A46. For those of you that know the area, the truck stop is just over there on the Teddington Hands roundabout. So this is some good stiff hand sloped clay land, and this variety, very little growth regulation, and with all the weather that we've had, is quite lodged. It's quite flat in places. Moisture's holding up well, as is the yield. It's doing really, really well. Some of the best stuff that we've probably harvested this year. Macdon doing a good job, picking up 95% of it. I would have thought it's a bit of a balance between wanting to push on, not picking up soil. The ground is still quite damp, and then kind of downtime, quite a flat bit there. But even though I was a little bit there, probably just need to tilt the header forward a little bit. Whoops, and hold the phone, and I don't have to worry about steering anymore, so that's one good thing. The guidance here, we're just running on SF1 Starfire 1, but that's perfectly adequate for harvesting. Yeah, doing a good job. So we've got a bit more rain on the forecast again for tomorrow. That's Friday, so we're going to push on quite late into the night tonight, and see how we get on. Fuel could be a limiting factor, but we shall have to again take 3/4 full. We shall just keep going. Might get a bit more diesel brought down, and keep pushing on. Nice to see a bit of dust. Moisture is probably about 14% at the moment, 13.5 to 14, so we're just tipping it straight up in the shed. And that's a nice change for the year. So if we miss the rain tomorrow, that'd be amazing, so fingers crossed. And there we go, day 22.